Designers, I know you have various different ideas about projects that you might do in design technology, and many of them are based around interesting things you've seen elsewhere, ideas that you have based on maybe an anime that you like, or a show you've seen that you saw a piece and said, "Ah, that would be really cool," or maybe a YouTube or an Instructable. But I'd like to also point out that we can solve problems using design technology that exist in our everyday lives. Small problems, we just have to notice them. And all of the different disciplines that we have within design technology apply to solving those kinds of small problems. As an example, using CAD-CAM, I created a template for sketching that's called an ISO sketch tool. It has the built-in framework for helping you draw sketching the way that we like to do it in design technology. Mr. Marzouk took that idea and enhanced the tool in a variety of different ways to create something even better. And this is one we're testing out right now with other students to see how it works and how well we can use it in various ways. It's continually getting improved. So that's with laser cutting. For 3D printing, a student designed this for me, which is simply a holder for the switch that came on my lamp. The switch sits on the floor, and I have to bend all the way over to turn the lamp on and off. This holds it in a position where I can just step on it with my foot to turn it on and off. And it was a simple 3D model with a couple of iterations to make sure that it fit exactly the physical space, the physical item that we intended it for. So again, CAD-CAM, but this time 3D instead of 2D. In the graphic design world, people have made me bookmarks about design technology. People have made me posters for the classroom. You may have seen this one on the wall that talk about all the different elements of graphic design, a teaching aid, and lots of other things. In the workshop for woodworking, somebody's built a key holder, just a simple rack to hang keys on when you come home, because they were making a mess wherever it was that they were putting them before. Simple project. Another fairly straightforward project, a small cutting board for a kitchen in an apartment that is quite small. They needed something that fit where they wanted to put it, and nothing from the store was quite small enough. So they made one and decorated it. And I also have around the workshop and various places in the classroom custom shelves that students have designed for spots to store lots of things. So lots of things for woodworking. I don't have examples that I can show you on screen right now, but in the video production area and also in the coding areas, I've had students design projects that were good for assignments in other classes, where they asked their teacher, "Hey, we have this assignment where I need to show you that I know this book," for example. Instead of doing a talk, I would be more comfortable recording a video. Would that be okay? Or, I need to demonstrate this concept in science. Could I code an app that shows how the concept works? And that way you can understand that I know this concept, but I can have more fun than trying to draw a poster or whatever other assignment it happened to have been. I don't remember actually. These might be ways that you could solve small problems in your life. So keep your eye out. What small problems do you see that design technology could solve?